Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Life360 and signing in. Allow location, background app refresh, and notifications so tracking works continuously. After creating an account, add one circle now and invite family by phone or email. This gives immediate shared locations. Once done, open the app and tap the location icon to confirm a live ping. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi scanning are enabled for faster accuracy. These steps ensure the app has the permissions it needs to track reliably in the background. Next, configure your circle and location settings so everyone appears correctly on the map. You add members, label them, and approve invites, then enable precise location and set up places with entry and exit alerts, because that automates notifications. Also turn on driving detection if you want trip summaries. Make sure to adjust battery saver and background priority on each device so Life360 can run uninterrupted. Otherwise, locations may update infrequently and cause gaps in tracking. Finally, use the map, places, alerts, and driving timeline to monitor movements and history. Tap a member for real-time updates or directions. If someone's location is stale, force a location refresh, toggle airplane mode, or restart the phone to reset GPS. These quick fixes often restore accuracy. If problems persist, check OS location permissions, disable restrictive battery optimizations, or reinstall Life360. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm each member's phone allows background location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.